we'll introduce ourselves. My name is Guttschow. I'm the General Manager of State and Local Government Applications at C3 AI. Previously, I was an active duty Marine Corps officer, and public service is just in my blood, and we love what we do here.
Excellent, and good morning, everyone. My name is Sohaib Shaikh, and I am the Group Vice President over our growing state and local practice here at C3 AI. And now, it is an incredible privilege to be here today and to support many of the state and local agencies that are in the room today, which we engage with across the entire country. Much of our success and our growth today is really owed to many of the customers and partners that we're engaged with and support us in identifying the highest value opportunities across all echelons of state and local government.
It really is a privilege. There are so many opportunities for improved government operations that many citizens overlook entirely. I've learned more about what makes a good notary seal in my last year at C3 AI than I ever thought I would.
And this week, we're showcasing a number of updates to each of the applications that we offer, as well as brand new applications with success stories from all the customers that are here today. And I'll let Grant introduce our product portfolio and then show a quick demonstration before our panelists join me on the stage.
Like we said before, our roadmap contains many applications to support a variety of state, county, and city offices. Today, we have 4 independent applications with opportunities for further configuration in each. C3 AI Property Appraisal enables more accurate and efficient and consistent real estate predictions with evidence packages to support every step of an appraisal workflow. C3 Law Enforcement connects every criminal investigative data set into a single pane of glass and offers tools for officer collaboration. C3 Generative AI for Government Programs, as you may have seen this morning, offers agencies a better knowledge search tool across internal, external, structured, and unstructured data sets. And Government IQ, our newest product area, offers tailor-made AI agents for document and media processing. From social services phone calls to those notary stamps I was mentioning before, our industry breakout session yesterday gave a glimpse into these new Government IQ capabilities. Now I'd like to spend just a few minutes covering our C3 AI Property Appraisal application capabilities. Normally, anyone dealing with real estate valuation is juggling several data sets: computer-assisted mass appraisal, or CAMA systems, geographic information systems, and multiple listing service data, so on and so forth. We've even got partners here from Aumentum in the CAMA space. In addition to the customer-provided data sets, C3 AI licenses our own national data sets for improved data science modeling and overall faster time to value. Now let me show you an example of how an appraiser would use C3 AI Property Appraisal. The first page that I'm greeted on whenever I log into the application is our property appraisal dashboards. And this visualizes everything from annual financials to overdue work. Industry metrics like the International Association of Assessing Officers, or IAAO, help quantify the accuracy and consistency of our valuations. In this case, everything looks pretty good here in Florida. Another dashboard tool I have is called My Dashboard. While the other tabs in the application represent common industry metrics, I might have some metrics that I am personally interested in. For each of these tiles on My Dashboard, I can prompt with natural language and generate my own visuals that might not be available elsewhere in the application. So every user can save their own visuals for nearly infinite configuration and customization. And this is all powered by the C3 Agentic AI platform and the C3 Generative AI application. As an individual appraiser working on the team, I always have a pre-configured mass appraisal dashboard to see the pending work here in Palm Beach County. It looks like the Country Club Acres neighborhood has a lot of properties pending, so I can address that first by clicking on that metric. This will automatically bring me to the appraisals page, basically my to-do list, pre-filtered by the neighborhood that I'm interested in. I can use this page to complete my appraisals or drill into specific events. The system automatically places events into low priority or high priority categories. The low priority categories indicate that my predicted values of a property had a small deviation from the sale price, which is good. So I can select all the low priorities to batch appraise at the predicted value. So just now, I've saved hours of planning and appraising compared to more traditional workflows where you have to go one by one or lose out on explainability. So for that remaining high priority property, I need to investigate further. I need to be the human in the loop so I can click into that event details page. And when I do that, I get all the information about this event, all the information about the parcel, and I can tell that this property was marked high priority because there's a large deviation in predicted sale price versus actual sale price. So something is not working out here in the model. And it's often attributed to mismatched data between third-party data sources, like the brokerage data sources, and the assessor CAMA systems that I mentioned earlier. While previously I would have had to stop everything, pull up 2 other screens, and manually compare, C3 AI Property Appraisal helps me view all my data in one place and clean up my system of record. So this data cleaning includes both AI-recommended condition ratings from property photographs, as well as property characteristics such as number of bedrooms and bathrooms. So as you can see here, there's a misalignment between the CAMA value and the MLS system, and I can update that directly from the interface, push that update back to my CAMA system, rerun the automated valuation model metrics, and hopefully I get much closer to the actual sale price. So now it's a low priority property thanks to my data cleaning. Now, if I would like to understand exactly how my AI model came to this valuation, I also have comprehensive evidence packages in the application that are available to me. So here I can see key metrics, positive and negative contributions towards a property value. Does it have a pool? Does it have enough bathrooms? Does it have enough bedrooms? And I can see the features impacting that value, or I can leverage an AI summary in natural language like you see here. With C3 AI Property Appraisal, I can further verify predictions with more traditional methods with automatically selected sales comparables. You can even adjust these comparables to calculate your own values based on market conditions, see those other properties, click into those other properties, and you have everything you need at your fingertips to take advantage of the automated valuation models, as well as perform more traditional workflows in the application. In the last few minutes, I identified a high-priority parcel, I cleaned data from our county database, and I supported my decision with a robust evidence package against potential appeals. I can now confidently appraise this property and generate a PDF report for my county office or my constituents. So C3 AI Property Appraisal provides more accurate, efficient, and consistent valuations than ever possible before. This application allows staff to focus on proactive opportunities rather than manual and repetitive tasks. We truly believe this is the future of property assessment, and I really hope you agree.